Have you ever looked at a map and noticed how the coast of South America seems to perfectly hug the curve of Africa? It's not a coincidence. Millions of years ago, they were one. This is the core of plate tectonics, the theory that explains how our planet's surface is a jigsaw puzzle of giant moving pieces. Back in 1912, a scientist named Alfred Wegener proposed that all continents were once fused into a supercontinent he called Pangaea. He saw the puzzle piece fit and even found matching fossils and rock formations on opposite sides of the Atlantic. But there was a huge problem. He couldn't explain how these colossal land masses could possibly move. His idea was largely dismissed for decades. The missing piece of this puzzle wasn't found until the 1960s. Scientists discovered the engine driving it all: convection currents. Deep within the Earth's mantle, there are massive, slow-moving loops of molten rock. Hot rock rises, cools, and then sinks. This relentless circular motion drags the tectonic plates on the surface along for the ride, moving them a few centimeters every single year. All the geological action happens where these plates meet. At divergent boundaries, plates pull apart, and new crust is born from magma, like at the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. At convergent boundaries, plates crash together. Sometimes they crumple upwards to form staggering mountains like the Himalayas. Other times, one plate dives under another in a process called subduction, creating powerful volcanoes. And at transform boundaries, plates grind sideways past each other, unleashing the energy we feel as earthquakes, like along California's San Andreas Fault. It's a slow but relentless dance. The world map you know is just a snapshot in time. In another 50 million years, it will look completely different, all because of the quiet, powerful engine churning deep beneath our feet.